Hey everybody, welcome back. Well, we are on another tractor rescue here. We're over at Rudy's and we went and picked up a pretty rare item. For those of you that follow John Deere and crawler stuff, you might understand what I'm hinting at, but it's a 1946 model and we're going to spin the camera around and give you guys a quick view of what we got. A 1946 BO Lindeman crawler. It doesn't look like much, but I think we have all the parts we need to put it back together. There's still more parts to pick up. Engine block, cylinder head, stuff like that. But we have a whole bunch of parts in the back end of the truck. We have the Lindeman on the trailer and we're going to roll it off and put it in the garage up there. So, I don't really know much about Lindemans. So we're going to be searching out some of the Lindeman experts. If anybody wants to chime in, I'll kind of show you. This side track frame is together, all this stuff is together, but this side is all torn apart. We have your final drive here. There's a drive sprocket back there. So we don't really know how to put this together. I see that the crankcase breather is off, but the engine, the engine turns and it rolls. It's in gear right now, so it rolls. Yeah, it's a project, but you don't see many Lindeman crawlers around. So this will be a fun one to kind of play with and get back into running shape. I think Rudy's intention is to just leave it as it is and get it running. So let's see if we can get it off the trailer. All right, so we've got it in gear and we're rolling the flywheel to drive it off the trailer here. Rudy's got the hard job.
We're going downhill, so it's not terrible.
Going downhill, he says.
We should get a board for that side.
For this side?
This side here.
I think once it starts going, it's just gonna start rolling. See if I can straighten it out just a little bit. Well, I don't hear any clunks in the transmission, so that's good. Stop itself. Probably shouldn't stand in front of it. Whoop. What are we hung up on? Oh yeah, we'll make it. Look at that.
Nice.
Well, we're off the ramps, so now we're on the ground. Now we just got to spin it.
I can get that.
It's not a glamorous life, but we got it there.
Michael, and we can all.
Well, there it is. It's all tucked away in this corner here. We still have one load of parts to get, the cylinder head, the block, and whatnot, so we got it in the garage. Now the next step is to start putting it back together and see if we can make some noise with it. So I know it was a quick video, but it is what it is. Hope you guys like it. Hope you guys are excited to see updates on this one, and see you in the next one. That's 3 in a week.